deep. Alright guys, I know y'all probably like, why is this girl always looking crusty and dusty? I'm sorry, it's who I am, okay? It's not really who I am, but most of the time, about 75% of the time I look crazy, and then the other 25% of the time I look good, okay? So if you can't accept me at my 75, then you don't get to have me at my 25. Anyways, I am here with a haul, and it's not a clothing haul. It is a nail haul. So I do my own nails. I really just started doing them. This one is broke. It's been, let's look and see. When did I do my nails for real? November 21st. I did my nails on November 21st, and yeah, it's been 2 weeks. It's almost been 3 weeks. Sunday will make 3 weeks I've had these nails, and I'm only missing one nail. And I mean, my nails are kind of grown out. But yeah, so I have been doing my nails. So yeah, I've been doing my nails for about 2 or maybe 3 months now. 3 months, because October, November, it's going into the 3rd month. So I've been accumulating nail stuff, nail gel polishes. That's really it right now. Gel polish, and then like just some little fine tip brushes that I can do my little designs with. But for Christmas nails, I saw these designs, and they're gonna be fire. One of them is gonna be just like red, I think. And then no, I think I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I got some inspo pictures and they all look cute, so I got some stuff from nail supply. Okay, so the first thing I got is this device that you soak your nails in, that you put acetone in. You put warm water under, acetone in, and you soak your nails. And I got it because I had used a bowl the last time, and it's not good to just be using bowls for that, because now I gotta throw that bowl away. It was a real bowl, because you can't use plastic bowls with acetone because it'll melt the plastic. I got this. It is a gradient shaping dotting sponge pen. I got a whole bunch of glitters. So this is actually a pigment, and it's brown. And hopefully it's picking up on this camera. Yes, brown. And I'm gonna use it for one of the designs I got. I know y'all can't see this. It's white. It's a white sparkly. Let's see if I take it out of the package. Will that help us? It's a, no, it doesn't. But it's a white, glittery, sparkly glitter. Like iridescent, that's the word. It's iridescent glitter. Then I got a rose gold kind of pinky tone, and I got just a gold tone. And then I got this little rhinestone catcher divider, because I got 2 types of rhinestones. So I got blue and red. And then I got acetone because I was out. So I got a big thing of acetone because I have to soak these nails off before I put on a new set of nails. I got a scraper, nail polish remover, and that little tip right there, that's what they be using to get the nail polish off. So you soak your nails, and then you use this part to just push or pull the polish off. I got another nail buffer because I needed one. And we got some nail polish. So I got another top coat top gel. This is glossy top gel matte. I got this polish. It's called Freckle. Let's see. That's what it's looking like. I got red. I got this pink. And this looked really pink on camera, but it's supposed to be like the same color that's on my nails. They have the little things, the nails that's they already painted on there. And so when I just grazed my nail across and seeing which one matched more, and that one matched kind of perfectly. I had white because I didn't have white before. I do have black, I just didn't have white. And then I got this blue color. And that's all I got from the nail supply store. So we are going to do my nails and be about to start the process. All right, guys, so we are getting started. I have some warm water and I'm pouring that at the bottom of the soak off device. And so then I'm going to clamp it on. It just clips on. It's having a little difficulty right there, but we made it through, okay? And now I got my acetone. It's 100% acetone, and I am going to pour that. I made a mess. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna pour it into the container at the top, and then I stick my hand in, and you wait, and you wait, and you wait, and you wait, and then you get this. I took my hand out a couple times and like scraped it in between, and then this was like one of the last times that I took my hand out to scrape the polish, the gel polish off. And no, this doesn't hurt my hand. It literally is just scraping it. It's not even touching my real nail yet. So yeah, and then this is the other hand. And I am doing the same thing, just scraping the polish off. Y'all, this honestly takes a long time, I won't lie. So if you split it up, I would say split it up. Take your nails off one day and then do them another day. And right here, I'm just filing my nails like with the little handheld buffer filer thing. It's not the best. I got it from Walmart. It was $10. I do plan on buying one from Amazon that's a little bit more expensive, that hopefully has a higher power, because this one, I mean, she worked for what it is, but it don't do the job like I need it to do the job. But right now I'm just filing my cuticles just to get all the stuff off of my cuticles. All right, and now I'm showing y'all the nails that I use, and they are like full nails, so it goes from your nail bed on up, and they are square shaped, like straight square shape. So right now I'm just measuring each fingernail, and yeah. And sometimes, like, when you measure, it's going to be too big, but you have to, like, file it, because if you go down a size, it may be too small, but you want it to cover your whole nail. So if, you know, you're in between, just go bigger, and then just use your nail filer and file it down so that it fits perfectly. I do have to do that with, I think, like, my ring finger and my pointer finger. But yeah, so I'm just measuring each nail, and I just place the left hand on the left side, the right hand on the right side, and I do place them in order. That's important, because you can mix them up. I've mixed them up, and I've had to take the nail off as soon as I put it on. Okay, so now I'm using my nail filer to buff like the inside of the nail. You just want to get the shine off, so I do that to each and every nail before I put them on. And I just use my little nail filer again to buff it. And voila. And this is another nail because I want to show you guys again. And like I'm saying, this nail filer isn't the best. So again, if you want to try this, I would say just go ahead and go get one off Amazon, because mine, we be struggling. I think that's why it takes me so long to do it, because my nail filer isn't the best. But again, if you're pinched for time, like I was the first time I did my nails, then by all means, go to Walmart, go to Target. They have them at both stores. It was $10. You get what you pay for. If I invest $60 into a nail filer, then I'm pretty sure I'll get better results. So, all right. So now we are going to apply the fake nail to our real nail, and I'm using Gel Bond. And I'm putting it on there. The TikTok girls got this down. I don't have it down, okay? I struggle. You're about to see me struggling. I'm like, how do I lift this thing up? Yep. And then I try to finagle it under there so it can cure. But the thing is, you want the gel to fully cover your nail and not have any bubbles in it. So that's the trick. Do what you got to do to get it to cover and not have any bubbles. So now I'm taking my foundation gel. Once I have all my nails applied, they're cured, I shape them, I file them, I buff them, and now I am applying my gel base foundation. This is important, guys. Don't skip this step. Do not skip this step. So you're going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then you're going to take your whatever color you want. I had to mix 2 colors. I mixed a little of the pink and then a little of the brown that I have, and I made this color. It's like a brown pink, obviously, because I mixed pink and brown. But when you apply your first layer, you want it to be thin. When I first started doing my nails, I was applying thick layers and it was going horribly wrong. So thin layers, okay? You cure it for 30 seconds each. Okay, so I am doing my second coat, and when I do my second coat, just like the first, a thin layer, but you also want to make sure that you take your just an extra brush and wipe the edges, because you don't want the gel polish to cure on your skin. So now I moved on to my design, and we're doing obviously red and green. It's a Christmas themed set, and so I'm just making a triangle on the side of my nail, and when I do this, I just take your time. It's okay if you mess up, because again, you can go back in with acetone and that little brush, and you can clean up your lines before you cure it. So that's it for me. I take my polish, I put it on, I take my little detail brush with some acetone, and I clean it up. And that's how I'm making it, honestly, because I'm not perfect. I'm not a nail tech. I don't know all the ins and outs, but I just make it happen like that. So I use my little detail brush and clean up all the mess ups that I make. And this is what I got so far. So I did a triangle, and then I did an outline triangle, just like a triangle not filled in with the green. So now I'm taking my matte top coat, and I'm applying it to all of my nails. And again, you want to be able to clean that up too. Each layer you do, clean it up with the acetone around your nails. With this matte polish, you have to cure your nails for 90 seconds. So I did a 60-second, and then I did a 30-second. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know why. But that's what the instructions said. So you just saw me do it for 60, and then you saw me do it for 30. Obviously, this is sped up, but yeah. So I did 60, then 30, and then it was done. And that's what it looked like. It looked so pretty matte, right? But I wanted to be a little extra. I was like, I don't know if I want glossy and matte or just glossy. So I put the glossy top coat on the green and the red, and it came out perfectly. But that is the matte. That's just the matte. And so now I am applying my rhinestones. I use the same gel bond that I used to adhere the fake nail to my real nail to do the rhinestones. So you just do a little dot of the gel bond. You put the the rhinestone on. I'm cleaning up the edges. I'm trying to make sure that it's in the middle, that it's exactly where I want it, because once you cure it, it's not going anywhere. And so I cure it for like 30 seconds, I think. Honestly, I'm not remembering, but I think it was 30 seconds. Had to be 30 seconds because my hand's under here for a long time. So I cure it for 30 seconds, and then boom. That's what it looks like. So that first nail, I'm not gonna lie, it looked a little crooked, but I fixed it. And that's what the first hand looked like. Boom. We got our little rhinestones. And I just put one just for a little razzle dazzle, just for a little think that that looks so beautiful. And that is the finished set. So I'm just explaining this. I can see my mouth moving. So again, I did a matte base coat, and then I did a red and green, and they're glossy, and then I did my rhinestones. And this is me celebrating, y'all, because it was lit. I was excited. I was happy. I was like, yes, I did that. I did that. Bow. Oh, and we're gone. See y'all tomorrow.